from which grade?
I am in grade 1.
What's your name?
Yashashwini.
Yes, Ashwini. You are from which grade?
First grade.
First grade. You know, these are the little ones who are going to master the ceremony today. These are the master of ceremonies for today. Give them a big round of applause.
Good morning, everyone. Today we are here to celebrate the birth of Lord Krishna, the playful, loving little boy of Vrindavan, and who can show childhood better than the youngest children of our school. That's why we, the grade 1 students, are here to bring Krishna's world alive for you, full of music, fun and devotion. Let's welcome the friends and family of Krishna. I am Krishna. I play the flute and spread happiness everywhere. I am Radha. I love Krishna with all my heart. I am Yashoda. I chase Krishna when he steals butter. I am Nanda. I protect my little Krishna. I am Balarama, Krishna's strong elder brother. I am Sudama, Krishna's friend who gave him love, not gold. The land sang with Krishna's in Vrindavan. I am Arjuna. Krishna guided me with the Bhagavad Gita. Now let's welcome Vedant and Ishan for sloka recitation. Vasudeva Sutam Devam Kamsa Chanuramardanam Devaki Paramanandam Krishnam Vande Jagadgurum. Vasudeva Sutam Devam Kamsa Chanuramardanam Devaki Paramanandam Krishnam Vande Jagadgurum. Hi everyone, happy Janmashtami. Today I am going to tell you few shlokas. First shloka is Ganesh shloka. Vakratunda Mahakaya Soyi Kuti Samaprava Nirvigyam Kurame Deva Savvakadesu Savvada. Second shloka is Deepa Jyoti. Om Bhum Bhuvasara Tastavitu Aranyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yona Prachodayat. Guru Shoka. Guru Brahma Guru Vishnu Guru Devo Maheshwaraha Guru Saksha Parabrahma Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Thank you, teachers, for helping us. Thank you, everyone.
Wow, Ishan, you did a good job. 4 slokas. Big round of applause for Vedant and Vishan, please.
Come, friends, let's listen to a lovely song about Krishna. Radha Krishna Jaya Kunja Vihari Murari